Today, I will show how to construct a simple and inexpensive cover for the rear awning for either a pickup truck camper or an RV. So the basic problem is that these rear awnings don't have any built-in covers, and the fabric is exposed on the final wrap. So it's exposed to the elements, particularly UV light, and here in Colorado that really takes its toll. So I was looking for a very simple and inexpensive solution to cover the awning, at least while it's parked. This particular manufacturer has optional fabric where the last wrap is UV resistant, but that would require replacing the entire awning, or at least the cover, which I'd rather not do. I'm trying to extend the life of the fabric that I already have. So I discovered that an inexpensive piece of PVC gutter, the type that you would actually use on your house, will actually snap right over the awning when it's retracted. And a piece of it will actually snap right into the rain gutter on the camper itself. So all you need to do is head down to your local home improvement store, pick up a stick of PVC gutter, measure the distance between the mounting brackets for the roller, make it a little bit shorter, cut it with an ordinary handsaw, and take a utility knife and maybe some sandpaper and just clean up the burr and snap it in place. Now my plan was to only install the cover when the camper is stored in between camping trips. But I did accidentally go on a camping trip with the cover installed and got all the way back home and realized that it made the trip just fine. So I've elected to just leave mine installed all the time. But I can't say I would advise doing that. And I guess it all depends too on what the attachment method is. On my Arctic Fox 990, the type of rain gutters that they used, the little tab or the rolled over section of the gutter actually snaps right into the rain gutter. It's almost as though it was designed for this. So that's all there is to it. Take a inexpensive piece of PVC gutter, cut it to length and snap it on your awning. It'll save the expense of having to place it later on. If you found this video useful at all, please give me a like below and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos about campers and trucks and various other things. And if you do, you get to see me in the next video.